Truly unique loft-style condo. Exposed ductwk and sprinkler sys west/13 feet ceilings. Dramatic space European-style kitchen west/stainless steel appliances, including wine cooler, sleek blocks cabinetry and quartz ctps west/bar separating kit from dining area. Exposed brick wall surrounds the living and dining area and opens to pleasant balcony. LV features Murphy bed west/full bath for overnight guests. Open staircase under skylight leads to great sitting area west/wet bar and a second wine cooler. This area leads to 2 separate bdrms, each west/ensuite bths. Luxurious PMB features huge walk-in closet and spa west/steam shower and kidney-shaped freestanding tub. Second bedroom features beautiful walk-in shower, marble fling and